Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Mullins, and we are on day 2 of the Spelling and Vocabulary Unit Week 1. So you should have in front of you your packet for Spelling and Vocabulary Unit Week 1, along with a pencil. We're going to review our spelling pattern that we learned yesterday. Diphthongs OU and OW have a special sound they make of ow. A diphthong is a pair of vowels that make a special sound. In this case, ow. OU can start or come in the middle of a word. OW comes in the middle or end of a word. Let's review our hint. OW comes in the middle of a word when it is followed by N, L, OR, or ER. Why is it helpful for us to know this? Because when we are sounding out words and we hear that ow sound, if we know some of these rules, then it helps us determine if we would use the OU or the OW in spelling that word. Let's look at spelling word number 9, shower. S-H-O-W-E-R. O-W is in the middle of the word and followed by E-R. Number 10, clown. C-L-O-W-N. O-W is in the middle of the word and followed by N. We're going to work on our vocabulary today. If you look at our vocabulary, you see that it is 5 of our spelling words. I would like us to review parts of speech for noun and verb. A noun names person, place, or thing. Verb tells the action. When we look in a dictionary, we can see the word and the part of speech and the definition for that part of speech. Because remember, some words have multi-meanings. They can be a noun and a verb. Let's start with route. Route is a noun, and the definition is a way or course taken to get from one point to another. So my sentence in using the definition of route is there was a quicker route to our school. Number 2, sprout is being used as a verb. It means to grow upward in reference to a plant that would sprout upwards out of the ground. A sentence might be, the seeds began to sprout in 2 weeks. One thing about the word sprout is it can also be a noun. I'm thinking of a sandwich that you could order with sprouts on it. That would be a noun. So it depends how you're using it. In this case, we're using it as a verb, to grow upward. Number 3, allow. Verb, to give someone permission to do something. A sentence, Mrs. Jones will allow her to ride the bike. Number 4, plow. As a verb, to turn up an area of land with a plow. A sentence, the farmer had planned a day to plow his land. In this case, this is an action word. It is telling us what the farmer is going to do. He's going to plow. It also could be a noun because there is a piece of machinery that is called a plow that farmers use to plow their land. So this is a multi-meaning word. Number 5, howl. As a verb, a long, loud cry uttered by an animal such as a wolf or a dog. A sentence might be, the boys could hear the wolf howl all night long. So now we have our spelling assignment, and we are going to do just the same thing that we did yesterday so that we can really have these words memorized and be able to do really well on our spelling assessment this Friday. So your assignment is to go to your spelling homework page, the last page of your packet. You should already have Monday's assignment, column 1, completed, where you wrote each spelling word one time, nice and neatly, number 1 through 16. Today, we're going to complete the second column. So again, you will nice and neatly write your spelling words number 1 through 16. See if you can make them even nicer and neater than yesterday. Always make sure you are spelling them correctly. So number 1, in column 2, you should be writing O-U-C-H. Your assignment is to complete all 16. Hope you enjoy.